Ants, Hymenoptera, Formicida, are among the most successful and diverse insects on Earth. They play critical roles in ecosystems, from seed dispersal to soil aeration. Amazon ants, a subgenus of the slave-making ants in the Formicida family, are notable for their specialized parasitic lifestyles, which involve raiding other ant colonies and stealing their pupae to raise as workers. This unique strategy has allowed them to overcome challenges in their environment and thrive. Taxonomy and distribution. The subgenus Polyergus, commonly known as Amazon ants, comprises several species distributed mainly across North America. Some well-known species include Polyergus breviceps and Polyergus mexicanus. Amazon ants are closely related to other slave-making ants, such as the genus Formica, which they frequently target for their raids. Morphology and identification. Amazon ants possess distinct morphological features that set them apart from other ant species. They exhibit traits such as elongated mandibles, specialized adaptations for raiding, and reduced worker size. Their coloration can vary from reddish-brown to black, often with shiny exoskeletons. Identification is based on a combination of these traits, and species-level differentiation might require close examination. Life cycle and social structure. The life cycle of Amazon ants is intricately tied to their parasitic behavior. A colony typically consists of raiding workers, slave-maker workers, and broods that they've stolen from other ant colonies. The raiding workers venture out in search of potential host colonies to raid. Once they locate a suitable colony, they infiltrate it and engage in combat with the host workers. The captured pupae are carried back to the Amazon ant colony, where they are raised into worker ants. Slave-making behavior and adaptations. Amazon ants are notorious for their slave-making behavior. This parasitic strategy has evolved as an effective way to supplement their labor force and overcome the challenges of nest establishment and foraging. Slave-making ants have adaptations that help them succeed in this lifestyle. For example, their elongated mandibles are specialized tools for raiding host colonies and transporting pupae. Ecological interactions. The relationship between Amazon ants and their host colonies is complex and often one-sided. The host colonies suffer significant losses due to the raids, as their pupae are stolen and workers are killed. The parasitic ants also release chemical cues that suppress the host colony's ability to recognize intruders and mount effective defenses. This chemical deception further aids in the successful infiltration and capture of pupae. Coevolutionary dynamics. The interactions between Amazon ants and their host colonies have likely influenced the evolution of both parties. Host colonies may develop defenses against raiding ants, including altered chemical communication or physical adaptations. Similarly, Amazon ants may evolve mechanisms to counteract these defenses and ensure the success of their parasitic strategy. This ongoing coevolutionary arms race shapes the behaviors and traits of both parties. Communication and chemical signaling. Communication within Amazon ant colonies and between the raiding and slave-making ants involves intricate chemical signaling. Pheromones play a crucial role in coordinating raiding activities, suppressing host defenses, and maintaining social cohesion within the parasitic colony. The specificity and complexity of these chemical signals are a testament to the precision of their evolved adaptations. Brood care and nesting. Once the stolen pupae are brought back to the Amazon ant colony, they are cared for by the slave-making workers. These workers tend to the pupae, helping them develop into adult ants. The slave-maker workers do not engage in typical foraging activities, and instead rely on their host colony's workers for sustenance, while the host colony is unaware of the parasitic presence. Implications for ecology and conservation. Amazon ants and their interactions with host colonies contribute to the dynamics of ecosystems. The pressure exerted on host populations might influence local ant community structures and resource allocation. Studying these interactions could shed light on broader ecological processes and aid in understanding the consequences of such intricate relationships. Research in future directions. Despite the growing body of research on Amazon ants, many aspects of their biology and behavior remain to be explored. Further studies could delve into the specific chemical cues used by slave-making ants to suppress host defenses, the genetic underpinnings of their unique adaptations, and the coevolutionary dynamics between parasite and host. Conclusion: Amazon ants, Polyergus spp, stand out as an intriguing example of specialized parasitic behavior within the ant world. Their ability to raid host colonies, steal pupae, and manipulate chemical signals reveals the intricacies of evolution and adaptation in response to ecological challenges. By unraveling the mysteries of Amazon ants, researchers gain insights into the complexities of social insects, coevolutionary dynamics, and the fascinating strategies that drive survival and success in the natural world. I hope so now you will understand Amazon ants. Thanks for watching my content. If you like my content, press the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you. Goodbye.